Welcome to a journey of financial discovery, where the goal is to unlock the path to earning 10 lakhs per month. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about proven strategies and actionable insights to help you reach this significant milestone. Now, let's delve into the 10 surefire ways to make 10 lakhs per month. Firstly, we need to understand the various strategies at our disposal. Entrepreneurship, investment opportunities, high-income skills, and passive income streams all provide viable paths to our financial goal. Entrepreneurship is a powerful tool. Starting your own business can catapult your earnings. It requires identifying a profitable niche, planning meticulously, implementing effective marketing strategies, and leveraging technology to scale. Investments and financial management are another avenue to explore. The stock market, real estate, and mutual funds can generate substantial returns. But remember, diversification and risk management are crucial to success in this field. High-income skills are another potent weapon in your arsenal. Skills like digital marketing, coding, graphic design, and copywriting can be monetized lucratively. The key is to acquire and master these skills diligently. Passive income streams are the silent earners. Affiliate marketing, creating and selling digital products, or renting property can all contribute significantly to your monthly income. To add some reality to these strategies, consider the case studies and success stories of individuals who have achieved this feat. These stories not only inspire but also provide a roadmap to success. Equally important are the tools and resources that can aid you on this journey. Various software, online courses, and books have proven instrumental in the success stories of many. As with any journey, there are challenges and pitfalls. Market fluctuations, competition, and initial investment requirements are some of the potential hurdles. It's essential to be realistic and prepared for these challenges. Now, armed with this knowledge, it's time to take actionable steps. Start small, stay committed, and keep learning. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. In conclusion, achieving a monthly income of 10 lakhs is a challenging yet achievable goal. It requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. So take that first step, stay committed, and remember, the road to success is always under construction. Thank you for joining this journey of financial discovery. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and do engage by sharing your experiences or thoughts. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Until next time, continue learning, continue growing.